This video contains like a bunch of mini story times. So basically, she had the house to herself. What does the girl do when she has the house to herself? After that, he had secretly installed a camera because he does that sometimes. Yes, my upbringing is bad now. What to do? I started screaming, chor, chor, chor. I started beating him up.
ये लड़कियों का cook I mean, कुछ लड़के fine.
No, come, cook. And after all of this, turns out he cheated on me. Be aware. कहीं हम अपने exes को ना expose कर देंगे. And there was a drink with 2 straws in it, one with a lipstick mark. M showed up outside my apartment and called all of my friends up, threatening them. You chose 2 people to be an important part of your life. दोनों ने हक दिया. So me and my dad talk, but very less, since he's my stepdad. He called me a slut. And make the playlist just for seeing him one last time. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
That was loud. Yeah.
Hi guys. Welcome back. Hey, क्या है भाई?
This might be like the most requested
video. We have Rabia and Sanvi together.
bhai.
Blockbuster. This.
Oh my god. I just want Rabia.
Thanks, yaar. Anyways, today is a very interesting video because this video contains like a bunch of mini story times and we are going to be reacting to your story and lore. And yeah, let's go. Okay, start. We are going to start with one of the most insane ones. Okay?
Okay, I'll start.
Okay, so this is Aditi. And she's currently in 11th grade. But this story goes back to when she was in 10th grade. And
10th grade में should we name bro?
Yeah, she allowed me.
Oh, okay.
On 28 January 2025.
Remember the date, guys.
So she lived in Greater Noida उस समय and had been dating a guy called Bharat. Coincidentally. Which is
not this
our
Bharat,
Bharat.
guys. You guys can still get Bharat. Please keep on trying. Please keep on trying.
So for 7 months, coincidentally, that day was our anniversary and our 5th pre-board had just ended.
5th? 5 pre-board कौन से स्कूल में होते हैं भाई? I genuinely so sorry for you. I love my school now. I love my school now.
I swear एक में ही खत्म हो गया.
Oh no, but इन लोग के second ले रहे because आधे लोग failed in their class.
One only, no? One is compulsory. आप बाकी सब तुम्हें देना
Yeah, exactly. But we had one
अब हमारा
pre-board.
class नल्ला है तो मैं क्या करूँ भाई?
I can't imagine giving 5 pre-boards, bro. That's
5? Fuck,
insane.
I don't think that's
insane.
needed also.
That's
दो बहुत होते हैं. My school was clearly out for blood.
I agree.
Anyways, to celebrate surviving academic trauma and our anniversary, we decided to meet at Venice Mall because Ye Jawani Hai Diwani had been just re-released.
मतलब last year का Jan.
Yeah.
This is one of my dream dates, guys.
So her boyfriend booked all the tickets. She got the popcorn, drinks, everything, and the movie was amazing, very cute, very filmy vibes. After the movie, they decided to just roam around in the mall, and she basically gives a description of the mall, and it's a very pretty mall, but it's very like shady and sunsan kind of.
Good makeout spots.
I said what I said. I said what I said. Yeah. So basically, they were roaming around in one of the empty areas when her mom called, and she got shit scared. Okay, she shat her pants almost. Now, important context, she told her mom that she's going with 3-4 friends and...
But she was only with her boyfriend.
Yeah.
She was not with any friends.
And obviously her soul literally left her body after seeing her mom's call.
Wow, Rabia, तुझे deja vu आ रहा है क्या?
So she panicked and picked up the call and she told... So her mom told her that some relative passed away, 97-year-old relative passed away, and that her parents had to leave for Agra, and she wanted her to come outside the mall and take the keys. So basically, she had the house to herself.
Now, what does a girl do when she has a house to herself?
After that, Bharat, her boyfriend.
This is so weird. I know.
After that, Bharat and her decided to go to her house for a while. Everything was chill, no issue at all. We reached safely, and then she went in first to check if her dad was there, because if he had secretly installed a camera, because he does that sometimes.
Have you done something in the past?
No, that's not the problem. The problem is camera क्यों installed है?
बहुत घरों में होता है यार, but it scares me. भाई मेरे मॉम डैड कैमरा इंस्टॉल करने वाले थे, मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया. Not happening. This house? Not happening.
It's over for me. I love my parents.
swear, bro. I
After listening to this, I love my
swear.
parents. Luckily, nothing suspicious. Bharat came in. Okay, they were starving, so they decided that he would cook for her. Green flag moment. ये जो गार्ड देख रहे हो,
No
ये जो
fucking way.
गार्ड देख रहे हो. Anyways,
No fucking way. She pulled that out, bro.
anyways, adored. Okay, anyways, so he cooked her chicken pasta. Girly pop.
Commendable.
Keep him.
Commendable.
Keep her
Can we
alive.
talk about, like, I've heard a lot of guys coming to girls ka house story and guys ka cooking story. For some reason, everyone just ends up making pasta. For some reason, everyone just ends up making pasta.
That's actually true.
Exactly.
I've
Something
got
about pasta.
Because I think, like, pasta is like a love, kind of like a symbol.
To my future
For me it
boyfriend,
is.
I don't like pasta.
Please don't make shitty pasta.
I'm like you.
Guys, actually, Bharat, हमारा वाला Bharat, also makes shitty pasta. Let me just tell you
His
guys.
pasta sucks. If you're watching this, your pasta sucks.
Ironically, he made pasta for us when we came to his house as well.
Oh, holy
shitty
shit.
pasta, mind you. She makes amazing mozzarella
had Shani
cheese
ka pasta.
You guys should try it.
He never got pasta.
You did not eat it from my tiffin when I got it.
Akshat gobbled it up. What can I do?
Akshat never gives
What
us
to
any
do now?
opportunity.
Now
What
what
to
to
do?
do?
Now what to do? Yes, my upbringing is bad. Now what to do? Continue.
Yeah, okay. So basically she kept on checking up uske parents ka 360 to check if they're randomly coming back or not. And then they were sitting on the sofa watching Exo Kitty, which she technically forced him to
Exo
watch, which she does
Kitty.
not regret. And after a while, she went to keep the dishes and casually checked her phone, but her parents were in the society. And she panicked. Apparently, they had forgotten the charger and came back to get it, and it was around 8 p.m.
I would die.
She immediately shoved Bharat into the storeroom.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Poor
God.
Bharat, bro. Poor Bharat.
My parents came upstairs, took the charger, and left. After they left, Bharat and her, they relaxed, made some couple dance reels, very cute, very cringe. They didn't post it, just kept them in the locked folder. Okay, this is a very important detail to
Remember, guys, locked folder, couple reels.
Yeah, I don't know, she just mentioned. So, yeah. It was winter, there was a lot of fog, so Bharat's mom told her to go home. Like, told him to come home early. So he asked if he could stay at a friend's house, which is obviously not true, and he was staying at her house.
He was
Okay.
staying at his girlfriend's house.
I know there's something gonna go wrong over here,
Yeah.
bro. I can just feel it coming.
That thing can sound so perfect. This sounds
Yeah,
so
it sounds
perfect.
so
This
perfect.
sounds so perfect.
Too
It
good to
cannot-
be true.
Too good to be true. I agree.
His mom said yes, so he stayed. Nothing wrong happened. We literally just watched all the Harry Potter movies. We know that's not true. So you need to shut the fuck up. Oh! So they also had their first kiss, but that's not very relevant.
That is very relevant, mind you.
And then they went to sleep. But suddenly the doorbell rang. Tick-tock.
Again?
Yeah, again. And it was her parents with her elder brother. And they had come home from college.
Oh my god, I would kill myself.
Aditi, what do you do now?
I feel so sorry.
What
for
would
him.
you do if you were in this situation? She shoved him in a
No, I
storeroom.
would not shove him in the storeroom.
I would
because-
balcony में भेज देती मैं.
नहीं, मैं गद्दे के नीचे छुपा देती and then when my parents went in room, मैं उसको living hall से भेज देती हूँ.
Yeah, makes sense.
Smart like that.
अब से ही उसकी प्लानिंग सेट है मतलब सोच के रखिए इस बारे में
हो गया भाई.
Auntie, if you're watching this,
ऐसा कुछ
ना
नहीं होगा. Okay, so they were not supposed to be back, so she told Bharat to hide in the storeroom again and then leave from there. He tried, but her brother, the moment he entered the house, went straight to the storeroom and started screaming, "Chor, chor, chor!"
What are the freaking odds, bro? What are the odds? Oh my god.
God, what the fuck?
I would die.
And everyone came running and they thought that there was a thief. My brother started beating him up because he genuinely thought he was
I
a
feel
chor.
bad for all of the Bharats around the world.
सारे भारत की
के साथ ही ऐसे क्यों होता है भाई?
Okay, so his brother, like, description, Aditi's brother is 6'4" and jacked and goes to gym. And
Of
Bharat,
course.
and Bharat is 6'2" and both of them are fighting like WWE. अरे यार देखो
Aditi, applicant.
look I started screaming that he's not a thief. Complete silence.
Stupid. Chill, just be like,
मैं तो
हाँ,
पिटने
चोर है,
देती
bye.
भाई।
Bye, चोर, मुझे नहीं पता कौन है।
मैं तो पिटने देती भाई। My brother was like, चोर नहीं है तो कौन है? कौन है अदिति? कौन है? So Bharat said कि मैं इसका दोस्त हूँ, but my family obviously understood that he was not, just a दोस्त. Eventually Bharat left. I got long lectures and slaps. Obviously. तुमने मेरी तरह नाटक कर लिया होता तो बच जाते अभी तक. फेंट हो जाते यार. 1 सेकंड में फेंट हो जाते.
चाकू खून। मैं तो बोलती चोर।
फिर लोग मेरे पास आते तू भाग जा. भाग जाता तू. Guys, अगर तुम ऐसा planning चाहिए, please come to us. We'll help you. Please, we'll help you.
But I feel like everyone should be ready with like a plan B and C also in this
No,
situation.
the point is that in such situation, my brain starts
When
working
you're
100
in
speed.
love,
अरे चुप हो जा तू यार.
जाना यार, ये वापस कुछ
ये-
तो लोग ज्ञान देंगे।
देर कर देता हूँ. Okay, anyways,
they hate me, guys. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I do.
So yeah,
Bharat left.
they said boards were coming, distractions aren't good, blah blah blah.
True.
They had a point.
Boards are coming, guys. We have to face it.
And they both got 98 on both. Congratulations, guys. That's a very big
Oh
big-
my God.
Both are so smart. Congratulations.
But here's the twist.
They sound like such a perfect couple, bro.
Yeah.
But here's the twist.
अब क्या twist? मम्मी पापा ने पकड़ लिया.
A few days ago, I took his phone and saw that he was talking to another girl. बेहोशी हो जाती भाई. इससे अच्छा
हमने वो ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट दिखाया।
साले को स्टोर रूम से
क्या
निकालने नहीं चाहिए था.
हाँ, ये है वो।
Sorry, I take my words back. This is cancelled. Cancelled. It's साले को स्टोर
I
रूम में
just
रहने देते भाई.
felt like जैसे ही उसने बोला कि he cooked pasta, I just knew something is
He
fishy.
already knew the huzz. How to get the huzz. He already knew how to get the huzz.
True,
With the
true.
chicken pasta.
True.
Chicken pasta.
अच्छा वो मार खाया भाई.
इसलिए लड़के who can cook stay away. I mean कुछ लड़के is fine.
No, come.
No.
Cook.
इसलिए तेरा कटता है। इसलिए तेरा कटता है।
मुझे नहीं आता भाई. I don't think जिसने उसका काटा उसको भी आता. So remember the log dance
Sorry,
videos?
Aditi.
A few days ago I checked his phone, and after all of this, turns out he cheated on me.
After all.
Hey, what's up with men and cheating nowadays? You know?
2026 is the year of getting caught cheating, bro. It's not even funny.
It
The
just-
amount of people who are caught cheating is crazy.
I
सब
know.
pedophiles और cheaters बाहर आ रहे हैं.
12 दिन हुए हैं चालू होके 2026
More than
में।
12 people are exposed.
Beware.
Be aware.
Beware.
कहीं हम ही अपने exes को ना expose कर दे guys.
Anyways,
Aditi,
I hate men.
Aditi,
I hate men.
Aditi, all the best, भाई. क्या बोलूं भाई? इतना
I'm
इतना
sorry,
पिटने के
she's
बाद.
such a good girl, like 98%.
98% she sounds like such a good girl.
And-
थप्पड़ भी खाए भाई उसके लिए. अब जाके उसको मार.
तू
मैं
अगर
तो-
उसे नहीं मारेगी, मैं
हमें
आपको
बुला।
मारूंगी।
हम हेल्प करेंगे तेरी. आ जा भाई.
मैं तो पहले चोरी बोल देना चाहिए था यार. ये क्या?
अरे मम्मी वो उस दिन वो लड़का याद है
वो चोरी था.
वो चोरी था. लेके जाओ
वो मेरा
उसको.
क्लासमेट था. मुझे थोड़ा दया आ गया था. मैंने बोल दिया भाई बस.
Anyways, okay, bro, you know all of the boyfriend lures that I've got, everyone has called their boyfriend M.
Brand है brand. M. Rappa.
Okay.
It is so fun, I love it.
So I had this friend A and a boyfriend M. वही तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई ना.
ये A और M
M
वाले.
and we were all in the same class.
Okay.
She would always be really flirty with him. but boyfriend है ना यार.
एक मिनट what?
So I had this friend
So the
A
friend is a girl and
and boyfriend M
is
is a boy,
okay.
hopefully.
Obviously.
What the fuck, boyfriend है ना. And we were all in the same class. She would always be really flirty with him and call him cute in front of me. मैं तो चाटा मार देती दोनों को.
कहाँ का friend ये friend है?
Exactly. It was M's birthday and another friend of mine sent a story that A put up of him, a story she hid me from. Guys, ये लोग जो story hide करते हैं ना, मुझे
Why?
genuinely समझ नहीं आते. मुझे genuinely समझ नहीं आते. Like, how do you call yourself a friend? She's not your friend. It was a picture of him with 2 hearts and there was a drink with 2 straws in it, one with a lipstick mark.
I'm done. I just know where this is going.
My god. I confronted them and they said that they just ran into each other one day.
I have a question, wait.
मतलब नहीं, वो दोनों ने तुम्हारी इतनी भी वर्थ नहीं सोची कि कोई एक्सक्यूज बनाए. ये एक्सक्यूज दे दिया भाई.
I have one question. इसको पता कैसे चला कि
क्या?
उसने स्टोरी डाली है? फिर बताया
दोस्त ने बताया ना.
Okay.
What are you analyzing over here?
कुछ तो
बस ऐसा Sherlock Holmes.
चटपटा लग रहा है मुझे.
Okay.
कुछ चटपटा हो रहा है.
Later on, I found out that they planned this hangout and never told me. I would literally cry to A about M and his constant cheating
Bro.
after we broke up. Oh my god. So after they broke up, M showed up outside my apartment and called all of my friends up, threatening them.
Sounds like someone I know.
So
What?
So like, you chose 2 people to be an important part of your life.
दोनों ने हक दिया.
दोनों ने हक दिया. You genuinely should have. Wait, I feel so bad for her, bro.
I just don't know how to react to this shit because how do people end up in such situation and how do people like think about doing someone so bad?
Bro, Rabia.
You know, like
She went through a friendship breakup and a breakup at the same time.
you'll get over it. I hope you have already by now. But-
Because honestly,
because you're talking
both
about
of them-
it, so I
both of them don't give a shit about you.
think- she knows that. I
Yeah.
hope.
Yeah,
I hope you know
do.
that.
Because even though I knew that in my relationship, I really needed someone to tell me that. And this is me telling you that they don't respect you, they don't give a shit about you. And ये जो threatening करके call wall कर रहा है ना, he does not like you. He's not showing a romantic gesture to you. Been there, done that.
एक मिनट जो लोग थ्रेटन करते हैं ना कॉल करके ये सबसे ज्यादा
Mentally weak होते हैं. Exactly. They just want उनका ego clash हो जाता है and they just want to come to terms with it.
डराने के लिए
Exactly.
धमकाने के लिए
अपने इन्फ्लुएंस के अंडर रखना है बस.
बस
कुछ नहीं.
और कुछ
Stay away. You are better off without
mind.
them. You are better off without them.
रिस्पॉन्ड ही मत करो मैं तो बोलती
And I know you already know that you're better
be
off without them.
unbothered.
But like even देख, I think unbothered के पहले is that emotional phase that comes where you like lose 2 people in your life, and I genuinely feel so bad because
Yeah, I know that.
just hurts.
But then you don't have to show it to them.
yeah. But what about us, like in person, like, you know?
देखो, like
would-
obviously if you are going through something, you will go through it. There's nothing you can do about it
Yeah.
now. You have to feel what you have to
Yeah.
feel. So if you don't do that,
I will give you one tip for moving on. I'm just gonna tell you that you have to feel it. You have to feel all the emotions. It's okay feeling it.
No, for moving on, you have to be sure that you want to move on from that person. You just have to
Exactly.
shoot them in your head and be like, dead for me. That is the day. No one can stop you from moving on if you have decided that you want to move on.
But if you ever loved someone, even if you तेरे mind में they are dead to you, they'll never really be dead to you. They'll
But
always be in your
if-
heart.
If I have thought about it and I have
Self-respect.
yeah, like I know that this person is not good for me, then I have moved on from
Yeah,
that person.
no, she has moved on, but what about the hurt she feels? Like, I just feel bad.
वो तो हो गया ना, move on का वही process है ना, feel the hurt and then move
Yeah,
on.
move on. Yeah, don't look back because when they see you happy, they will come back.
Yeah,
I
not
said what I said.
necessarily,
They will.
but
And they will.
don't do it just so they can come
अभी
back.
उसने breakup किया तो threaten कर रहा है ना. he sees her shine, he comes back.
Don't be like कि चल मैं अभी नॉचलैंड करती हूँ और ये आ जाएगा वापस. Please,
You
उसके
don't
लिए
want
मत
him.
करना भाई.
You don't want him.
No,
You don't want
no.
him. Okay, let's see the next floor. Okay.
Okay. So me and my dad talk, but very less, since he is my stepdad. But he's a nice guy. Also, I love how my mom is really happy with him, but we don't talk at all.
Ooh.
At all. How is that possible if you're like staying with somebody? Are you staying with him? I mean, obviously they are a stepdad.
Why don't you talk? Like, कोई कुछ reason तो होगा.
तो
awkward होगा
तो
ना
मैं
यार.
वो उसमें ही बताने लगा.
But like, stepdad है तो awkward होगा ना.
Awkward. Awkwardness just goes in like 2-3
Yeah.
days. Like you get to know people. It just goes. तुम्हारे uncle, aunt ये सब के सामने भी तो awkwardness रहता है कभी कभार. Just very shy.
Continue.
But it's so weird कि अगर मैं किसी के साथ घर पे रह रहा हूँ, don't even talk to them like once.
Yeah, exactly. That's weird.
Anyway,
Not really.
and who hurt you, bro?
No,
Who hurt you?
no, I'm not hurt. I'm just saying that I understand her stepdad perspective. Like I think that's why she's mentioned that it's a stepdad. You know, like she's happy for her mom, but she doesn't know how she feels.
Conversate, yeah.
Yeah, she does not want to fit.
Yeah. And whenever he comes over, he comes over, so he does not stay. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And whenever he comes over, it gets very awkward for me, and I get all shy. Also, I play guitar and I love to sing, but when he's around, everything stops. What do? I mean, I'm not that comfortable since I lived half my life alone with my mom.
Oh.
Ow. So, like, what do I do? Should I talk to him often? But he's awkward as frick. And only talks to my mom.
Okay.
I feel like I have no clue.
One
I feel like you
person
need to
has
break the ice.
to melt
You
the
need to break
ice.
the ice.
Because like I feel like if both of you keep on waiting for the other to come and
Yeah.
initiate the
This is
conversation,
the continuous cycle that's
it's
going
not
on.
gonna work
It's
out.
not gonna help
and
you.
plus, you know, you're awkward with a person just because वो अभी अभी आए हैं in your life and you're not used to them.
Totally understandable.
But,
by
yeah,
the
that's
way.
totally understandable. Understandable. And like, I think what you should do is try being thoda, getting out of your bubble, comfort space.
According to me, you claim that your mom is very happy with that guy. So I think you need
Yeah,
to
so
come
for her.
to acceptance with the terms that he is gonna be a part of your life now.
Yeah.
And I
even
know
if
it's gonna
you're-
be hard, but you have to come to terms and you have to break the ice.
Right.
At least for the sake of your mom. Because trust me, even if your mom is showing that she's very happy, somewhere or the other, she wants you and your stepdad to talk.
Obviously.
And I think at least do it for the sake of your mom. And kya pata, like if you start talking, things go so well that you guys mingle really well.
Very
Achhe se.
close.
Yeah. That's nice. That's nice.
And he's anyways gonna be in your life now. Because
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah. I actually want to know, like, I actually want you to break the ice and tell us what happened.
Yeah.
Like, I would love
Yeah.
to know that.
I would
Okay.
love to.
Do we have more lore? Let's start. Okay. So, I liked my ex-guy best friend. A. Let's call him A.
ये सारे A
A
वाले
वाले
हैं।
हैं।
He called me a slut. And bye. Bye.
Not best friend, no.
मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड
I
मुझे स्लट
feel
दिला
like-
के दिखाए
Rabia.
सानवी
I
ये
feel
कैसे
like-
बेस्ट फ्रेंड के स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं
I
भाई
feel
तुम
like
लोग
this
के
is
समझ के दूंगी ना
I feel like this is a universal thing now. Like everyone's best friend
and you shouldn't like
has
your best friend
backstabbed.
man
Exactly.
you shouldn't like your best friend please don't
But like, okay, even if you like your best friends, fine, friends to lovers trope, I get it. But ये कैसा best friend है भाई?
Yeah.
what you should know the person inside out before liking them
Before
Yeah.
calling him your best friend.
Yeah. Before you say you like someone first, you need to get to know them and you need to like. If you say what? I don't know.
He called me a slut and didn't give me attention, so I said some things, and I want him back so bad.
No.
He says he apologized for calling me a slut. He didn't, by the way. And you still want him back?
Girl.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello,
Good
I'm
morning.
out of advices at this point मेरे को नहीं पता
You
क्या
guys are wild, bro.
मैं इतने बुरे पोजीशन में नहीं हूँ अपने लाइफ में जितना तुम
मुझे
लोग
अपने
हो।
बारे में थोड़ा बेटर लग रहा है यार। थोड़ा बेटर लग रहा है यार। So now I'm following his bestest friend ever, let's call him B, from my private account. Only close friends like A have that account. समझा?
No.
So basically, she likes A, the best friend who called her a slut, and now she's following B, who is A का bestest friend. ठीक है?
And उस अकाउंट पे बस ऐसे
उसके
बहुत
close
मिनिमल
friends हैं,
लोग हैं,
ठीक है?
like ऐसे 5-6.
And he sees my stories, and it's rare, but B posts stories about or with A right after I post my stories about A. Why do you still post about A? And why is B reacting?
Okay, girl, there's something really wrong going on over here. Let me just
वो तेरे को
Break
अपने
it
जाल
down
में
for
फंसा रहे और तू
Yeah,
फंसते जा रही है. This is what I can infer. Break it down for her.
you just did.
Yeah.
break it down.
Oh, you're gonna say the same thing. I'm so sorry.
अरे sorry क्यों
I'm
बोल
so
रही है
sorry.
भाई?
पागल है क्या?
भाई?
During prelims, our dispersal was during the same time, even though he's in 12th and I'm not in 12th. He would stop for a minute.
12वीं का लड़का ये सब कर रहा है तो मैं क्या बोल
Right,
उसके
exactly.
बारे में और क्या ही बोल
Bye.
बाय
Because ठीक है, अगर ऐसे 8th grade में किसी ने celebrity उसको पता भी नहीं है मीनिंग, तो you cannot take that seriously. But a 12th grader, a grown ass dude, I'm not gonna say a man, a grown ass dude
calls
you a slut.
you a slut, being
He's
your
serious
best
about
friend,
it, okay?
being your best friend, and like you can't just say मेरे को देविका या सानवी पे गुस्सा है, I just won't be like slut bye.
Exactly.
I wouldn't do that.
Don't do that. You don't do that. Even if I talk to a stranger and fight with a stranger, I wouldn't do that. तुम्हारे तो best friends कर रहे हैं भाई.
Exactly.
What is happening?
Okay, so she's basically saying this is Delulu right here. During prelims, our dispersal was during the same time, and he would stop just for a minute and stare before saying something to a person C and leaving.
ये ABC क्या चालू है? हम करोड़पति खेल रहे हैं क्या?
Oh my
बैठ के?
God.
करोड़पति का
वो बोल
करोड़पति.
रही है कि वो डिस्पर्सल में जाता है, उसको स्टेयर करता है और फिर चले जाता है. क्रेज कितना क्रेजी स्टैंडर्ड यार. He's in love with you.
कैरम वाला है क्या वो?
He's in love with you. वो तू आप ना आप उसकी रानी हो, खेल रहा है वो.
सीधा. He thinks he's Mr. India.
हाँ ना
He thinks he's the
No,
invisible.
he's in love with her यार. क्या बोल रही है? वो स्टेयर कर रहा है उसको.
अरे
तो
eye
स्टोरीज
contact.
पोस्ट कर रहा है उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड यार.
We
वो
had
प्यार
eye-
करता है उससे
We
यार.
had an eye contact of 2 seconds. I think it's
दिमाग से फटी हुई औलाद, सुन ले मेरी बात. कुछ नहीं होगा. प्लीज दूर रह इस लड़के से.
Okay, to make things even awkward, we're in the same bus and he's seen me cry so many times. Anyway, we're in the same school for now. I'm helping arrange the farewell just to see him. Should I do it?
no.
एक second. Yes, you're in love with him.
मेरी
He's in love
माते
with you.
मेरी माते सुन, तू मेरे से भी ऊपर है भाई. तू मैं अगर इधर हूँ, तू उधर है चांद पे.
Babu, no, you're not supposed to do that.
बाबू कुछ नहीं, सुन ले. मेरी बात सुन ले. की डॉन बोले तू थोड़ा दूर रह भाई. तू तो मेंटल
हाँ
हॉस्पिटल
ना
जा,
भाई,
चेकअप करा
please.
और उनको बोल कि मेरा मानसिक संतुलन ना हिल गया है थोड़ा सा.
ये बंदी पूछ रही है कि पहले तो फेयरवेल मैंने अरेंज करने में हेल्प करूं मेरे फ्रेंड्स की एंड मेक द प्लेलिस्ट जस्ट फॉर सीइंग हिम वन लास्ट टाइम.
वाह शैम्पी वाह.
जाने दे उसे नगमा, जाने दे उसे.
प्लीज जाने दे उसे नगमा.
प्लीज जाने दे,
Please जाने
प्लीज प्लीज. ओह यू गाइस आर वाइल्ड ब्रो. ये क्या है? मुझे लगता था मैं दुनिया की सबसे डिल्यूजनल पर्सन हूँ, फिर मैं आपसे मिली. हेलो इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस.
मुझे हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है यार. हार्ट फेलियर हो रहा है
Did he
थोड़ा सा.
stare at you?
भाई मुझे गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं. तुम कैसे लोग हो यार?
भगवान. You guys.
My favorite.
Feeling a proud Indian army. सैल्यूट तुमको यार.
क्रेजी भाई. नहीं, मत जाओ फेयरवेल, मत बनाओ प्लेलिस्ट. पर मुझे क्यों लगता है कि
IQ
तुम्हारे अंदर इतनी चुल है
IQ
कि
of
तुम
a
जाओगी.
कि तुम जाओगी
IQ of a fucking room
प्लेलिस्ट
temperature.
बनाओगी.
अरे तुम्हारी माँ की
माँ पे मत जा.
मेरे पास घर है, पैसा है, गाड़ी
घर है, मेरे पास माँ है.
ये पढ़ के
ये
मेरा
पढ़ के
दिमाग-
मैं ही कौन केस हो गई हूँ. अब मैं भी उसके स्टेयर को प्यार समझूंगी और मैं भी स्टोरीज डालूंगी.
Imagine he's like, okay, ये वापस आने.
हाँ भाई.
Oh my god!
Let me go to the farewell for him. Let me make a playlist for him.
मत कर भाई.
मेरी रोमियो मेरी जूलियट. और कौन था अरे ओ
और ये जो है ना उसके ABC दोस्त, please remove from Instagram blog.
DFGH
IJKLM men OPQR STUV WXY.
Don't give a
Dead.
fuck.
Dead.
Don't give a fuck, guys. Don't give a fuck.
crazy bhai. I need 5 minutes to process this shit. Rest in peace to you though, bro.
I'm gonna think about this for like the next like 5 minutes.
I swear, bro.
Rest in peace.
Anyways, this was
आपका
the
खेल
lowest.
खत्म है. आपकी फील्डिंग भी सेट है.
Guys,
सब सेट है. बस इतना ही
राबिया
लोड था.
तुझे छोड़ने नहीं वाली.
इतना ही लोड था बस.
हाँ. You guys थोड़े और लोर दो, थोड़े और लोर निकालो.
I think you should post an NGL link because I think they would be more comfortable. with sharing it
Yeah.
over there.
Okay, I'm gonna do that next time. Anyways, this was insane. This is automatically my favorite
Pile up
video
already.
Already.
This is my
Charan's
favorite
part.
video already.
Wait, एक साथ करते हैं. 3, 2, 1.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर.
We pray for you. एक काम कर, अपना डिजिटल स्नान करा ले.
भाई मेरे को फोटो भेज, मैं कराती हूँ. मैं पैसे दूंगी उनको तेरा डिजिटल प्लान
जो
करा.
भी रिलीजन क्यों जहाँ पे भी स्नान होता है वहाँ पे स्नान जाके करो.
करो भाई, तुम्हें बहुत जरूरत है. और अगर कोई उधर स्टेयर करे, सीधा मुड़ जाना. And in all genuinity, no, I don't know what are you doing.
Please,
I
what the
don't know
fuck?
what you're doing, but no. He's not your best friend.
Exactly.
A, B, C are not your friends. They are not posting stories because he likes you. He's not making eye contact because he likes you.
It's just a game to
Yeah.
lure you in and keep you thinking about them.
And
And
keep
it's
you
working.
there.
Clearly, it is
Always.
working. Playlist. हम तेरे बिना अब रह
Please
नहीं
remove him.
सकते.
His friends from your
ममता
PVT.
दल.
Hey, did you see that reels में होती है? गंजी चुड़ैल, तुझे क्या लगता है तू आशिकी की आरोही है? वो मिलेगा तेरे को. I will send you that reel. I will
अरे
send
हाँ
you
वो
that reel.
लड़का ना
हाँ,
जो
crazy
बोलता
है
रहता है,
भाई. भीख मंगी साली
हाँ,
गंजी
बस.
चुड़ैल.
भिकमंगी गंजिया. भिकमंगी गंजिया. तेरे को दिमाग नहीं है, तेरे को अकल नहीं है.
ये सब मुझे भी भेजा करो यार.
भाई इतना क्रेजी है
बहुत
वो
फैला
बंदा.
था वो feed पे.
बहुत फेमस था भाई वो फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस.
अरे भिकमंगिया गंजी चुड़ैल.
मूव ऑन नहीं हो रहा क्या
समझ में
तुझसे?
आता है?
मूव ऑन नहीं हो रहा क्या तुझसे?
गजनी की औलाद. तू भूल गई
I love
तुझे स्लट बुला रहा था.
I swear भाई.
तेरी सासू माँ के घर में गजनी की औलाद.
तो अलग ही मूड है राम
ये लगता है तू आशिकी टू की आरोही है क्या? नहीं आने वाला, वो काट रहा है तेरा. कट कट Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as we did
मुझे भी
making it
यार.
already. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
मुझे भी
दोनों ये
थोड़ा-
करो भाई, दोनों ये करो.
बट मुझे क्यों तो
अरे लगा देखो.
अरे तू हम लोग एक साथ मारेंगे अब इसलिए मैंने दिया होगा 3, 2, 1. अरे मारा ही नहीं. सॉरी बाबू. अच्छा
Anyways, thank you so much for watching
अच्छा.
this video. दोनों ये करो भाई. मेरी तो वर्थ ही नहीं है मुझे लगता है.